A very good morning, students. Welcome back to our computer class. So children, in our today's class, we are going to continue our chapter 6, that is about starting with MS PowerPoint. Alright, and the topic which we are going to learn is how to create a new presentation. Okay children, so before starting our today's class, let's give a quick recap what we had learned in our previous class. So in our previous class, we have started which one chapter? Chapter 6, that is about starting with MS PowerPoint. In there, what we have learned? Just an introduction of PowerPoint, then various fields where PowerPoint is used, then how to open PowerPoint window 2007. The steps we have learned. Alright, now children, for recap of the previous class, I have a question for you all. Tell me the steps to open PowerPoint window 2007. What are the steps? How you are going to open PowerPoint window 2007? Yes? Tell me. Steps to open MS PowerPoint window 2007. Okay, so what are the steps? Yeah children, please tell me. Yes, let's revise how to open. Yes, first click on start menu. Click on start, then click. Yes children, tell me. Yes, click all programs. Very good. Then what is the next step? What is the next step? Microsoft Office. Alright. The next Microsoft Office PowerPoint, or you can write Microsoft Office PowerPoint or Microsoft PowerPoint window 2007. Alright children, so these are the steps. Yes, we have done what? We have done revise. Or directly you can double click on the Microsoft PowerPoint icon. Then also it will Microsoft PowerPoint window will open. Just double click on the Microsoft PowerPoint icon. Alright children, so these are the steps. Got it? Now, in our today's class, what we are going to learn? As we have learned how to start a Microsoft PowerPoint window 2007 along with the components, its functions. Now, how to create a new presentation while the PowerPoint is already open. Alright? So, here also certain steps are there to create a new presentation. That one we are going to learn it practically. Right? Practically we are going to learn how to create a new presentation while PowerPoint is already open. Right? So children, at the end of this class, you will be able to create a new presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint window. Got it children? And the new words, or we call it keywords, that you will be getting in this topic. Keywords, presentation, slides, graphics. Got it, children? These are the keywords we will be getting in this topic. Alright? So let us learn practically how to create a new presentation. And at the end of this class, I will be giving you 1 or 2 questions based on this topic. You have to solve it. You have to complete that question as a homework. Got it, children? So let's start. So children, let's do practically how to create a new presentation. Alright? So in our last class, I have already taught you how to open Microsoft PowerPoint 2007 window. I hope all of you have practiced, right? So now what we are going to learn, how to create a new presentation. Alright, so let's start. Children, here you can see I have a shortcut icon of Microsoft PowerPoint. What I will do, I will double click on it. Once I double click, my Microsoft PowerPoint screen appear. Alright, so in the last class already you have learned about the components. I have told you along with the functions. Alright, so here what you are going to learn, how to create a new presentation. Alright, so children, when we open Microsoft PowerPoint from the start menu or by double clicking the shortcut icon on our desktop, a new presentation with one slide. One slide, see. One slide appears by default. This is slide number 1. One slide appears by default. Alright. We can also create a new presentation while the PowerPoint is already open. Now my PowerPoint is already open. Now we can create a new presentation. For that, what we have to do? Where we will go? We will go to Office button. So in the last class, as already I have taught you, the different parts are there now in Office button. Yes, all these parts already I have explained their uses. So from the Office button, we will click New. Why we are clicking New? To create a new presentation. Once I click New, then the new presentation dialog box will appear. This is the new presentation dialog box. Alright. The blank presentation option is selected. Here you can see left side blank option is selected by default. Alright. Now from here, once you click blank presentation, here you can see our new presentation appear. How do you know this? This is a new presentation. Top you can see. Here automatically it will come presentation 2. Already my presentation 1 is open. Now what I did, I create one new presentation. That is a presentation 2. Alright. And again, by default here also, slide 1 appear on the left hand side. Alright. And this is what? This is slide. As I have told you, we can take many more slides here to make our presentation. We can give design. We can give animation. We can do slideshow. Alright. Then shapes, images. We can give in our presentation. Alright children, and the new slide option is this one. This is my slide 1. If I want to take one more slide, where I have to click? Home tab, new slide. Once I click the down arrow, see these are the various types of slides along with the names. Title slide, title and content, section header, to content, comparison, title only, blank, content with caption, picture with caption. Alright, so these are variety of the slides we can take while creating our presentation. There we can give animation, design, slideshow, alright, drawings, graphs. So in the next chapter, we are going to learn about more Microsoft PowerPoint. There we are going to learn how to create a new slide, how to give design, how to give animation, everything. This chapter is only for the introduction of Microsoft PowerPoint. How you can open PowerPoint window, how to create a new presentation, the steps are given. Alright, so in the next chapter, we are going to learn more about Microsoft PowerPoint. Now, I hope it is clear how to open Microsoft PowerPoint along with how to create a new presentation. So, in my Microsoft PowerPoint, how many presentations are open? 2. Once I open Microsoft PowerPoint, they are written presentation 1. After that, what I did, I create a new presentation by clicking on which button? Office button. From the Office button, I click new. From there, I get the blank presentation. Alright? The fastest and simplest way to create a new presentation is to start with a blank one. Alright, start with a blank one. Okay, there we can add text, then including additional slides. Got it, children? And here you can see the shapes we can give, arrange, everything. All the tabs have different function. Home tab is showing this. Insert tab you click, it will show word dot, as already you have learned, header, footer, chart you can present, then clip art, pictures you can give, photo album, shapes. Alright, then design means the slide design. You can give different design in your slides. Alright, which slide you want. Animation you can give. These are the animation styles. Then you can do slideshow. Alright, slideshow, then you can review. Then you can view it. Right, view it by zoom in, zoom out. That in the last class I have told you. Right, zoom in, zoom out, slide sorter, then slideshow, normal. So these are the functions of different tab. Alright, so home tab, these are the functions. Alright, you can delete your slide, whichever you don't want. Okay, children. So I hope it is clear how to open Microsoft PowerPoint and how to create a new presentation. Alright, children, or for this lesson, or first thing, you just learn these things, how to create a new presentation, and first is how to open a PowerPoint window, then how to create a new presentation. Alright, children? Yes, along with the components as I have already taught you in the last class. Now after this, I have 2 questions for you all. Kindly you complete it as a homework. Got it, children? You complete it. Clear? Related to this topic only. Okay, children? Thank you.